If you're having a challenge of moving video clips on your timeline in Shotcut, then let me show you how you can do it correctly. So for instance, I want to move this clip to occupy the second position and this clip in the second position to take the third position. But the problem is, if I move this by dragging it to this position, it cuts off the clip that was at this position. And now you can see the other clip has been reduced to this small portion and the other part has been occupied by this, and I want to avoid that. So if you want to smoothly move your clips in Shotcut without eliminating others, then you need to go ahead and turn on this option called ripple. So if we turn on this and now go ahead and move our clip, you can see they will exchange positions. And look at that, this has just paved the way for this clip, and now it has not been eliminated, but it has occupied the second position. And now they are all together in this one timeline. So if you play it, you find there is no any part missing from the other clip. So that's how you can move your clips in Shotcut without losing any of the clips. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.